Good morning, guys. Today is November 25th on a Friday. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving yesterday. I'm actually back here in the city, San Francisco, to our project on La Conte. And I did a video some time ago talking about the big door that we'll be installing on this project. And I'm actually back here because we do need some information which I do need to pass on to the engineer, and so I came out here to get those informations, and primarily in regards to the deck. And so I'm just gonna flip my camera, and then I can bring you guys up to speed on where we are on this project, our discussions based on the respective iterations we had. Flip my camera, and I'm sure you guys are familiar with this view. So the goal is to actually, we did change our mind. This project will be broken down into 2 phases. And instead of having the door on this side, we've decided to move the door to this side. And the goal is to have that here for this phase, and then design the load here. There will be HSS here, probably 4x4, that will be determined by the engineer. And then in the future, probably 2 years from now, 3 years from now, we'll be installing the other big door here. So at the end of the day, we're gonna have the corner piece idea here. So very quickly, guys, I'm just gonna show you the design we've come up with at this point. And if you can just see that. So like I mentioned, we've moved the door on this side. In the future, we're gonna have a second door here. That's the existing. It shows that what we've actually demoed, and we're gonna be going with a 3-track. We've actually reduced the width of the deck from a 16 foot to a 14 foot. The idea is for us to actually go with a 3-track, and we're talking about a little over 4 foot for each track, because the wider you go, the thicker the wall has to be. So we're gonna actually fur out this wall with about 8 additional inches, just so we can actually accommodate the entire track. So I'm just gonna go downstairs. This is the reason why I'm actually here, because the goal is to get a couple of information for the engineer, and that has to do with the framing, because this is gonna impact the landing we're gonna be creating on the other side. So this is what we have here. That shows the direction of the joist. We have the joist going in this direction at 16 inch on the center. It's actually a 2x6 joist. So guys, that's what we're going to be having the landing. It's going to come out at least 36 inch. The reason is because there is a little drop from where the threshold of the multi-glide system is going to sit. As you can see, that's taking you 2 rises to meet the existing top of deck. So the same thing will be happening here. We're going to have a drop down there. And so guys, that's it on this. I will definitely bring you up to speed on this process. So far so good. It's looking good. As always, keep supporting us, guys. Take care and have a good one. Peace.